Welcome to Hedge and Haven, where we uncover the jaw-dropping secrets of the world's richest minds. Because billionaires don't play by the same rules as us. What if I told you Donald Trump just spent $1 billion on a private jet, paid for entirely in cryptocurrency? In 2025, the former president and business mogul is making headlines again with what might be the most insane purchase of the year. In the next 20 minutes, we're diving deep into Trump's $1 billion crypto jet buy, why he did it, what's so special about this jet, and what it means for the future of crypto and luxury. Is this a genius move or pure madness? Stick around to find out, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more billionaire secrets. Let's start with Donald Trump, a man who needs no introduction. Love him or hate him, Trump has been a polarizing figure for decades. First as a real estate tycoon, then as the 45th president of the United States, and now as a billionaire with a net worth of $10 billion in 2025. Trump has always been known for his extravagant lifestyle, gold-plated apartments, private golf courses, and a fleet of luxury vehicles. But his latest purchase takes things to a whole new level. In early 2025, Trump bought a custom Boeing 787 Dreamliner, dubbed Trump Force One 2.0, for a staggering $1 billion, and he paid for it entirely in Bitcoin and Ethereum. This isn't just a jet, it's a statement, blending Trump's love for luxury with his newfound obsession with cryptocurrency. So what's the story behind this insane buy, and why did Trump choose crypto to make it happen? Let's break down the $1 billion crypto jet buy. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner is typically used as a commercial airliner, but Trump's version is a one-of-a-kind private jet, customized to his exact specifications. The base price of a 787 is around $250 million, but Trump spent an additional $750 million on upgrades. The jet features a master suite with a gold-plated bathroom, a private theater with 20 reclining seats, and a conference room with holographic displays for virtual meetings. There's even a mini golf simulator, because of course, it's Trump. The exterior is painted in a glossy black with gold accents, and the Trump logo is emblazoned on the side in glowing LED lights. But the real kicker is how he paid for it. $1 billion in cryptocurrency, split between Bitcoin and Ethereum, making it one of the largest crypto transactions in history. Trump has been vocal about his support for crypto in recent years, even launching his own NFT collection in 2023. So why did he use crypto for this purchase? And what does it say about his strategy? The crypto angle isn't just for show, it's a calculated move. Trump has been positioning himself as a pro-crypto figure since leaving office, criticizing the US government's regulatory crackdown on digital currencies. By using Bitcoin and Ethereum to buy his jet, Trump is sending a message. Crypto is the future, and he's leading the charge. Sources say he worked directly with Boeing to facilitate the transaction, which involved converting the crypto into USD through a third-party exchange, a process that took weeks to complete. The move has already paid off in publicity. Trump's jet buy has been trending on social media for weeks, with Trump crypto jet racking up millions of views. Some crypto experts say this could boost mainstream adoption of digital currencies, especially among the ultra-rich. But others think it's a publicity stunt, designed to keep Trump in the headlines as he teases a potential 2028 presidential run. Either way, this jet is more than a purchase. It's a power play. Now let's talk about the jet itself. Trump Force One 2.0 isn't just a mode of transportation. It's a flying monument to Trump's brand. The interior is a mix of luxury and tech, with features like voice-activated controls, a 360-degree VR entertainment system, and a dining room that seats 30 people. The jet can fly non-stop for 16 hours, covering 7,800 miles, which means Trump can travel from Mar-a-Lago to Dubai without refueling. Security is top-notch with anti-missile defenses and a reinforced hull. Trump reportedly insisted on these upgrades, citing safety concerns. The jet also has a custom presidential suite, complete with a desk modeled after the Resolute desk in the Oval Office. Trump has already used the jet to host high-profile events, including a fundraiser for his PAC that raised $50 million in one night. But while Trump is calling this jet the future of travel, not everyone is on board with his $1 billion splurge. Let's dive into the controversy. Trump's crypto jet buy comes at a time when the U.S. is facing economic challenges. Unemployment is up, and inflation is still a concern in 2025. Against this backdrop, a $1 billion jet purchase, paid for in crypto no less, has sparked outrage among critics. Progressive lawmakers have called it the ultimate display of privilege, pointing out that $1 billion could fund healthcare for thousands of Americans. Environmental groups are also slamming the jet, noting that a Boeing 787 emits around 15,000 tons of CO2 per year, equivalent to the annual emissions of 750 cars. Crypto skeptics are piling on, arguing that Trump's use of Bitcoin and Ethereum highlights the volatility of digital currencies. Bitcoin dropped 5% the day after the purchase was announced, sparking fears of a market crash. Even some of Trump's supporters are scratching their heads, wondering why he didn't invest that $1 billion in his businesses or charitable causes. So is this jet a stroke of genius or a massive misstep? Let's look at the risks. Spending $1 billion on a jet, even for someone as rich as Trump, comes with serious downsides. First, there's the financial risk. Private jets are expensive to maintain, with annual costs for fuel, staff, and repairs often exceeding $10 million. If Trump's business ventures, like his real estate empire or media company, take a hit, this jet could become a financial burden. Second, there's the market risk tied to crypto. Bitcoin and Ethereum are notoriously volatile, and if their value crashes, the 1B purchase could look like a bad deal in hindsight. Third, there's the reputational risk. Trump's jet has reignited debates about wealth inequality, with some calling for higher taxes on billionaires. And finally, there's the environmental risk. New regulations on private jet emissions could make the jet more expensive to operate, especially if the U.S. adopts stricter carbon taxes in 2026. Trump seems confident he can weather the storm, but has he underestimated the backlash? What does this crypto jet buy mean for the future of luxury and crypto in 2025? On the luxury side, Trump's purchase is part of a broader trend. Billionaires are spending more than ever on custom jets, from Klaus Michael Kuhne's $300 million upgrade to Elon Musk's electric jet prototype. The private jet market is expected to grow by 20% in 2025, driven by demand for bespoke designs and advanced tech. On the crypto side, Trump's $1 billion transaction could be a game changer. If more billionaires start using crypto for big-ticket purchases, it could legitimize digital currencies in the eyes of mainstream investors. But it also highlights the risks. Crypto's volatility and environmental impact are still major hurdles. In the U.S., where political tensions are high, Trump's jet has become a symbol of the growing divide between the ultra-rich and everyone else. Some see it as a bold move that will inspire innovation. Others see it as a tone-deaf flex that fuels resentment. What's clear is that Trump knows how to make a splash, and this jet is making waves. Let's zoom out and think about Trump's motivations. At 78 years old, Trump is still a master of branding. This jet isn't just about luxury, it's about staying relevant. By tying the purchase to crypto, Trump is positioning himself as a forward-thinking mogul, appealing to a younger, tech-savvy audience. Sources say he's already planning to use the jet for a crypto tour, hosting events to promote digital currencies and his own NFT projects. But there's a political angle too. Trump has hinted at another presidential run in 2028, and this jet could be a way to rally his base while grabbing headlines. Some experts say this purchase will solidify Trump's legacy as a larger-than-life figure. Others think it's a distraction from his legal and financial troubles. What do you think? Has Trump pulled off the ultimate billionaire move, or has he gone too far? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. That's all for today's video. If you found this deep dive into Trump's $1 billion crypto jet buy helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Hedge and Haven for more billionaire secrets. We've got a new video coming out every Tuesday at 9 a.m. EST, so you don't want to miss it. Next week, we're talking about David Thompson's $60 billion recession defense. What's Canada's richest man's secret for 2025? Click the bell icon so you're the first to know when it drops. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.